I'm going to show you how to add a signature in New Outlook, Outlook 365. I'm going to go to the right-hand side where it says Settings and click on Settings. And I'll expand that for you. And then you should see this option for signatures. Now, if you have a .onmicrosoft.com account, you won't see that. So it has to be a domain that you own in order for this to show up. All right, now that that's in there, you can click on New Signature, and you can give it a name. I'll just call it Sign1, and I'll put in my information. And here I put in my name, my fake phone number, and fake corporation. However, you can customize this a bit. So let's say that I'd like to bold my name. Let's say I'd like to change the color of my phone number. And you can also click on the font size, change the font size. I'll change it to 18, for instance. First, you have to select it, of course, and then choose that. And if you want to change the font type, just click on Font, and you can change to any font in that list. You can also add in a picture if you'd like. So I'm going to locate a picture. And I went online to design.com to create a free logo. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in for my awesome Corp Fake Corporation. Now you want to make sure that when you get a new message, you go to create a new message, you want to make sure that it's going to automatically apply that. So what you do is you save, and then you go into New Messages and choose the new signature. And if you want to also have this happen for replies or forwards, then also choose that as well. Otherwise, you could manually add it later if you'd like. So I'll click Save. And now I'm going to close that box, create a new email, and take a look. It has added in my signature. Now let's say that you choose to not have it added in automatically. So I'm just going to delete the signature. You can add it in afterwards if you'd like, just by going to Insert, go to Signature, and choose your signature there. So you can have it happen automatically or manually. And that's how you add in a signature to Outlook 365.